Hey everyone, this is How's Korea and Brian,
Marie.
and we just wanted to make a video because we found out that we hit 1,000 subscribers.
Finally.
Finally, yay!
And we want to thank you for that because it's a milestone for us.
Yeah.
Something that we have been working towards, and without you guys, we wouldn't have been able to do it.
It's been about a year and a half.
Mhm.
Yeah, and we started our channel because we wanted to share Korea through diverse voices, and that's really all we wanted to do. Just a little bit more of Korea during this COVID time,
Pandemic times.
pandemic time,
And we wanted to introduce foreign locals through and their expertise and their version of Korea.
and we wanted to do that because we ourselves are locals here, but then we see Korea through different lens than Koreans would do. So we thought that would be a bit more unique. But once again, thank you. We actually read your comments and all the time, and yeah, it's been a really learning journey. We actually wanted to take this video in the office.
To show you the real behind the scenes of
Yeah.
how is Korea.
Right, because that's where all the magic happens. We actually spend a lot of time editing, planning and
Me
everything.
too.
But then, what happened?
It was a little bit too depressing because our office is pretty small, and without the light, like we have a very bright light, or we look like really sick ghosts, or it was too dark.
Yeah.
So we decided to take it outside, and this is a cafe we sometimes go to. So yeah, and it's a nicer environment for our 1,000 subscriber thank you video.
We hope you enjoy Korea through our channel. If there's anything you would like us to do or show you, please let us know on the comment section below, and we would love to do our best to show
And
Korea.
we're excited for the next 1,000 subscribers to come.
Absolutely. So we'll try our best to share all these milestones with you, and thank you so much again.
Bye.
All right, bye. Thank you. See you next time. Ah.
Bet I'm